Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new Force 2 system for the 2011 through 2013 Silverado and Sierra 2500HD and 3500HD extra cab standard bed pickups with a 6-liter gas engine. This catback single tailpipe system features 3.5-inch mandrel-bent tubing, a 50 series big block muffler, and is finished off with a highly polished stainless steel tip. As a Force 2 system, it will typically produce a mild interior sound level for pleasant cruising while providing a moderate exterior performance tone. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a performance sound,